The first step is the same as before. We're going to model our first integer. So we're going to model the first integer using our tiles. So I need 5 of these negative tiles. Here we have 5. Now the second step is we need to take away tiles that model the second integer. So in this case, we would need to take away 7 negative tiles. Well, we don't have 7 negative tiles. So what we would have to do is to add a third step to this process. If we don't have enough to take away, then we have to use the idea of 0 pairs. We need to add some 0 pairs here. So looking at this, I have 5 negative tiles, but I want to take away 7, so I need 2 more negative tiles. So I need 2 more negative tiles somehow in this situation. Well, how can I do that? Well, I can do this using 0 pairs. So I'm going to add a 0 pair. And adding 0 pairs does absolutely nothing to this initial representation of -5. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 excess negative tiles here. So this 0 pair, all I really did was add 0. And if I add 0 to anything, well, you just end up with what you had originally. But I still don't have enough negatives to take away. Now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that tells me I need to add another 0 pair. So again, all I did was add 0. So do I have enough of negatives now to take away? I need to take away 7 negative tiles. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I now have enough negative tiles to take away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to circle all those tiles that I need to take away. Here they are. I'm going to show that I've taken them away by using this arrow, and then what's left over is going to be my answer. And in this case, what's left over? Well, what we have here is 1, 2 positive tiles. So the answer to this problem would be +2. So we needed to use the idea of 0 pairs here in order to answer this question. So let's look at another problem here. I'm going to draw a line down the middle so that we don't, or down the page so that we don't get too busy here. What I need to do is follow these 3 steps. For step 1, I need to model the first integer. So let's model it. I need to model +2, so I need 2 positive integers. Now, the second step says that I need to take away, so look at this second step again, take away tiles that model the second integer. So can I take away 4 positive tiles? No, I can't. I don't have enough positive to take away. So we go to our third step here. I need to use the idea of 0 pairs. So I need 4 positives here. I need 2 more positives, don't I? So I need to have 2 more positive tiles, because then if I have 2 more positive tiles, I will have enough to take away. So we need to add our 0 pairs. So I'm going to add 0 to this situation. Again, I have done nothing here besides add 0. Add 0, I still have 2 positive tiles in excess here, so this still represents my first integer. I need to add another 0 pair and then ask myself, does this give me enough positives to take away? Let's see, I need to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it does. So I can circle these positive tiles. So I'm going to circle them whoop, like this, and that's what I'm going to take away. Then you can say to yourself, what's left over? That will be my answer. And what's left over are these 2 tiles here and these are negative tiles. So my answer would be -2.